What's the meaning of choppy? Choppy. Choppy.
Choppy. Choppy. Choppy is an adjective used to describe something that is uneven, rough, or characterized by sudden stops and starts. It can be used to describe physical movement, such as choppy waves or a choppy gait, or it can be used more figuratively to describe speech, writing, or any other process that lacks smoothness or consistency. For example, a choppy video might have sudden cuts or jumps in the footage, while choppy writing might lack coherence or flow. Generally, choppy implies a lack of continuity or a jerky, stop-and-go quality.